Hello there. Let's start your journey. In this tutorial you will learn all you need to know about JavaScript variables. So, let's begin. JavaScript provides 8 different data types, which are number, string, boolean, undefined, null, symbol, begint, and object. Variables allow computers to store and manipulate data in a dynamic fashion. They do this by using a label to point to the data rather than using the data itself. Any of the 8 data types may be stored in a variable. Variables are similar to the x and y variables you use in mathematics, which means they're a simple name to represent the data we want to refer to. Computer variables differ from mathematical variables in that they can store different values at different times. We tell JavaScript to create or declare a variable by putting the keyword var in front of it, like so. So basically, variables are containers that store information for later use. In JavaScript, you can store a value in a variable with the assignment operator equals. This assigns the number value 5 to a. We can see the value we just stored using console log statement. As you can see, console log simply displays information in JavaScript console, in this case the value 5. Please keep in your mind that in JavaScript we end statements with semicolons, and variable names can be made up of numbers, letters, and $_ or underscore, but may not contain spaces or start with a number.